Hi friends, I am going to show how to install Parrot OS on VirtualBox. Download and install VirtualBox. If you haven't already, download VirtualBox from the official VirtualBox website and install it on your system. Download Parrot OS ISO. Go to the Parrot OS official website and download the latest ISO file for Parrot Security, or any other edition you prefer. Open VirtualBox. Launch VirtualBox from your Applications menu or Start menu. Create a new virtual machine. Click on the New button in the VirtualBox main window. Name an operating system. Name, enter a name for your virtual machine, example Parrot OS. Type, Linux. Version, Debian, 64-bit, since Parrot OS is based on Debian. Click Next. Allocate memory, RAM. Assign at least 2048 megabytes, 2 GB, of RAM for a smoother experience. More RAM can be allocated based on your system's capacity. Click Next. Create a virtual hard disk. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now and click Create. Select VDI, VirtualBox disk image, and click Next. Choose Dynamically Allocated and click Next. Specify the size of the virtual hard disk, at least 20 GB is recommended, and click Create. Configure the virtual machine settings. Select the newly created virtual machine and click on Settings. Go to the System tab, then the Processor tab, and allocate at least 2 CPUs if possible. Go to the Display tab and increase the video memory to at least 128 megabytes. Attach the Parrot OS ISO. Go to the Storage tab. Click on the empty slot under Controller, ID and then click on the disk icon next to Optical Drive. Choose a disk file and navigate to the Parrot OS ISO you downloaded. Click OK to save the settings. Start the virtual machine. Select the virtual machine and click Start. The virtual machine will boot from the Parrot OS ISO. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Parrot OS on the virtual hard disk you created. Installing Parrot OS. Select Install or Graphical Install from the boot menu. Follow the installation prompts, including language selection, keyboard layout, partitioning, and user creation. Once the installation is complete, the system will prompt you to reboot. Remove the ISO from the virtual drive if prompted. Reboot the virtual machine, and Parrot OS should boot up. About Parrot OS. Parrot OS is a security-oriented operating system, designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and privacy protection. It is based on Debian and comes with a wide array of tools for security testing, forensics, reverse engineering, and privacy defense. Here are some key features. Security and penetration testing tools. Parrot OS includes a comprehensive suite of tools for various types of security testing, including network analysis, vulnerability assessment, exploitation tools, and more. Anonymity and privacy. It offers tools like Tor, AnonServe, and other anonymizing services to help users stay anonymous online. Forensics. Parrot OS includes a set of forensic tools to analyze systems, recover data, and investigate digital evidence. Development environment. It provides a robust development environment with support for various programming languages and development tools. Lightweight and flexible. Parrot OS is designed to be lightweight and can run on low-resource systems. It also supports different desktop environments, including Mate, KDE, and XFCE. Parrot OS is widely used by security professionals, ethical hackers, and privacy enthusiasts due to its powerful features and flexibility. Blank.